Back in October, I was working on a couple of projects when I got a call from my buddy Tyler from Mop Top Pros. He had one simple question for me.
Hey man, can you come to SEMA? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada.
Immediately after touching down, we headed straight to the convention center to find the Mop Top booth and meet up with the crew. After going for a brief jaunt with the boys and meeting some of the people that contributed to the Mop Top Corvette, there was only one thing left to do: experience as much of SEMA as humanly possible. One of the most fast-paced trips that I've ever been on. And in the moment, there simply wasn't enough time to process the overwhelming number of sights and sounds that come courtesy of the SEMA show. But reflecting on it now, I've come to realize what that experience meant to me. Despite not being as big a car fanatic as everyone at SEMA, I still found myself identifying with these people. It was less about the vehicles and more about the passion itself. The long hours and the sleepless nights, putting in the work that nobody else sees. It's stressful, it's difficult, but God knows there's nothing else these people would rather be doing. So while this whole thing may just look like a big overblown car show, it's a whole lot more than that. It's a place for like-minded individuals to come together and share their passions with people who will understand them. It's a place to learn and be inspired. But perhaps above all else, it's a place to put the work on pause, even if it's just for a moment, and appreciate what you've accomplished. Because as brief as it may be, it's moments like these that make it all worth it.